Oh, hi there. My name is Brennan Foster, and today I'll be teaching you how to build a bird feeder from scratch. Now you may be saying to yourself, Brennan, I don't know the first thing about birds. But guess what? You don't have to. See, birds will eat off of anything that has bird food on it. So put all your worries aside and let's do it. Now the first step to building a bird feeder would be harvesting wood. You can get wood off of any of your local trees. First take your piece of wood and cut it into 13 different sectionals. These sectionals will serve as parts that will eventually be your bird feeder. Next, take your sectionals and sand them. Once they're all sanded, they should look a lot like this. So there you have it, all 13 pieces. First we start with the base. The base is where you put the bird food in. Next, we'll build the barn. To build a barn, we just need to take these two barn-shaped pieces and fit them in together with these side pieces. And look, we can already see our house is taking shape. Now to assemble the roof, first we need our two sectionals that we cut off that fit perfectly onto our structure.